Meet the FIRSTINFO 8-in-1 Flex Head Ratcheting Wrench. One wrench covers 8 metric sizes. The patented dual-layer design lets you switch sizes by pushing the inner wheel, with no separate adapters to carry or misplace. A 90-tooth gear needs only a 4-degree swing arc for short, controlled ratcheting. Reach fasteners from multiple angles with the smooth 180-degree flex head. The lengthened handle adds leverage, while the reversible mechanism switches direction quickly. Made from chrome vanadium steel with a chrome-plated, mirror-polished finish. Engineered for access, built for control. FIRSTINFO 8-in-1 Flex Head Ratcheting Wrench. Made in Taiwan.